What if one day you didn't have to speak to be understood? No typing, no talking, just thinking, and someone else instantly gets it. Sounds like telepathy, right? But here's the kicker. Physicists and neuroscientists are now exploring quantum communication between brains. Not magic, not sci-fi, just quantum weirdness. Welcome, brain cell ballers, to the thrilling and slightly unnerving world of instant thought transmission. For decades, telepathy was dismissed as pure fantasy. But then came brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, like Elon Musk's Neuralink, which can already detect and transmit basic brain signals across machines. Meanwhile, researchers at the University of Washington pulled off a wild experiment. Two people played a game using nothing but brainwaves. One wore an EEG cap, the other had a transcranial magnetic stimulator. When one thought shoot, the other's hand moved. That's not mind reading. That's brain-to-brain communication. Now enter the next level ingredient: quantum physics. Here's where things get strange, in the best way. Quantum physics allows something called entanglement, where two particles become so connected that a change in one is instantly reflected in the other, regardless of distance. This isn't sci-fi. It's been demonstrated in labs. Now imagine applying that to neurons. Researchers from MIT and Oxford have proposed that quantum coherence might already exist in the microtubules of brain cells. These are tiny structures that could, in theory, maintain quantum states, letting brain activity behave more like quantum computing than electrical wiring. If that's true, and if two brains could be entangled, could thoughts jump directly between people? Here's what's happening behind closed doors. DARPA, the US military's tech arm, is already funding non-invasive brainwave synchronization for group communication. Facebook Reality Labs, now Meta, is building tech to translate neural patterns directly into digital language, bypassing speech entirely. Billionaires like Jeff Bezos and Peter Thiel are quietly funding quantum neuroscience startups, looking for ways to optimize memory, cognition, and yes, connectivity. And then there's the China Brain Project, which aims to merge quantum communication with neurological mapping at a national scale. You weren't supposed to notice this, but now you're in the loop. This could be humanity's greatest leap. Imagine learning by downloading knowledge, or feeling someone's emotions directly. But now flip the script. What if your thoughts could be hacked? What if governments or corporations could read your mind before you even speak? Without safeguards, quantum thought tech could become the ultimate surveillance tool. This isn't paranoia. It's a warning from top AI ethicists and neuro rights advocates worldwide. We're not just connecting minds, we're opening them. All right, brain cell ballers, time to process this transmission. Quantum tech might soon let us share thoughts as easily as we share memes. But with great power comes, well, absolute mental vulnerability. Would you opt into this network, knowing that one day someone might listen without you ever speaking? Sound off in the comments, brain to brain if possible. And if your neurons are hungry for more, hit subscribe, tap that bell, and ride with us into the future of science, tech, and everything that makes you, you. Till next time, stay brilliant, stay curious, stay connected.